it's chicken.
You said beef or what?
Beef or pork?
Oh, beef.
Chino.
Beef is better.
Beef or pork?
What'd you grab? Pork?
Beef.
You got a bro. Damn, bro.
I gotta smell good like beef.
I'm gonna lose. What?
What does it tell you right there? Ooh, $5?
Yeah.
How much was that?
3.
This is what my dad told me. You'll raise $1 million first before you win $1 million.
Nigga, it's like if you don't play, you don't win.
Y'all was at the filthiest one or not?
When?
Y'all was at the filthiest one.
I bet she's going home crying now. Another fucking
If it died, I'm throwing this on the floor.
Why would you go? I should die already.
Don't ever disrespect me in your life again. Wait.
Oh, for sure.
Chino's about to go get his whip. Come here, come here. Chino's about to go get his whip, and you're gonna do what? Nothing.
He made it. He's finally famous.
Oh shit, Frank!
Fuck that. What you been running for? Huh?
That shit gonna be like 90K away. Like 90.
Carlos. And the other people. He's like, he's gonna take out $40. But he's like, so we should just do it, just wait and get a little more money.
Vete mucho a la verga.
Another G35, well not another one because I don't have one, but they have a G35 and I don't see my car. There's a red car in the back, that's not mine. So what do you think? It's a rod knock?
Yeah, it sounds
yeah.
like
Is there a way that you guys can diagnose that, right? To like for 100% sure that that's what it is?
yeah. It's
used motor would be the cheapest route, but we're still looking to spend at least over $4,000.
4,000 at least. Fuck. So as you guys already heard, they're pretty sure they haven't run an official diagnostic to like see what it is. Like they haven't actually for sure 100%, but from what they hear and what everything, like to their knowledge, it's the rod knock. And as you guys already heard, I'm gonna have to my options are either rebuild it or get a new engine. That's it. Alright, so I came over to CVS pharmacy because I'm trying to get something for my mom, because she has that little girl over there just had staring at me like, what the fuck is this guy doing? But yeah, so I'm looking for something for my mom because her feet hurt and she needs some type of lotion, or I don't know. Hello. Alright, so what I need is this, but I want something better than that, but there's nothing else. This is like the only thing that they have for that, and I honestly do not think this is gonna work, but this is like the best I can find at a CVS. I'm probably gonna end up going somewhere else. Hello. No. I got it. Holy shit, I almost missed my exit because I was trying to record that I don't know what the heck happened. And I think I curved my wheel. And by that I mean I actually did. Oh well. What do we have here? That wheel gap though. What's up?
Are we in your vlog?
Yeah, you wanna be in the vlog?
Yeah. Shout out to Reggie.
Reggie?
Shout out to Reggie.
You wanna give a shout out too?
Shout out to Nate Anson.
Nate Anson? Alright, here you go, you guys got it.
Thank you.
Hey, you working out or what, man? Cause I'm about to fire you. You gotta stay on this, man. I seen you out here.
Little baby mamas right
Nah.
What's up, dude?
What's up?
So you got your car or what?
Nah, not yet. I just came
Dude,
back.
I heard you do your engine.
I did. You on your break or what?
Nah.
Then?
I'm on the floor. I don't know. You walk this way, so I walk this way.
Nah, I'm rocking that right there. Right next to yours.
Oh, the charger. Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
It's Marvin or what?